Important announcement for all population of the planet Earth. Over 6 billion people have perished in the last 100 years. The total number of humans currently living on Earth is now estimated at only 1 billion. The resources are now extremely limited and dwindling day by day. We live in difficult times when the survival of humanity is in great danger. Natural disasters, asteroids, human carelessness, destructive wars and atomic bombs have destroyed much of the planet and population. Do not forget, everyone has a role to play in saving humanity. There is no time left for division. Any resource wasted is a step towards extinction. There is no more time for indifference, hatred, greed, and hostility. The time has come when we can no longer risk our future and that of future generations. Religion, ideologies, and greed have divided people for thousands of years. Democracy has become an empty word. The result is that the world has been ruled by blind emotions for the benefit of a few. The planet's resources belong to all the inhabitants of the Earth. They cannot be the object of transactions and speculations. We must take radical measures to ensure that everyone works for the benefit of the humanity. We cannot continue on our path to self-destruction as long as food, water, and health are in jeopardy. We are appealing to all those who can contribute to humanity's benefit to join us in rescuing the Earth today. Our economic systems have encouraged untenable lifestyles incompatible with the world's resources. The crisis we are facing today is the most dangerous because it is about survival. We have no choice but to take radical measures today to save ourselves from the terrible collapse of humanity. History is full of bloody revolutions that have brought new masters to power. Now the question of the survival of all humanity is raised. Without solidarity, no one will be a winner.